In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mention members in comments. Mentions are the simplest way to pull someone into a conversation. Make sure they see your note or give credit in a thread. The process is quick. You'll use a single character, choose the right profile from a short list, and your comment will instantly point to that person. First, place your cursor in the comment box where you want to write. Type the @ symbol, the one that looks like a little A with a tail, @. Right after that symbol, immediately start typing the person's name or their exact username. As you type, most sites and apps pop up a small menu of matching profiles. Keep typing until you see the correct person. When their profile appears, click or tap it to confirm. You'll know it worked because their name in your comment will turn into a clickable link or will be highlighted in a distinct style. A few tips help this go smoothly. If the person has a common name, start with their username if you know it, or include more letters of their full name to narrow the suggestions. Glance at the small avatar and any extra details shown in the list to make sure you're picking the right profile, especially if several results look similar. If autocorrect tries to change what you're typing, add a couple more letters after the @ to keep the match list open, then select the profile and continue writing your message. After you select the profile, finish your comment as usual and post it. The person you mentioned will typically receive a notification, so use mentions thoughtfully and only when it adds value. This keeps threads focused and avoids overwhelming people with alerts. If you don't see any suggestions appear, pause for a second after the AI, then type steadily. Check that you're in a comment field that supports mentions and that you have permission to tag the person in that space. Some profiles have privacy settings that limit who can mention them, and some groups or projects restrict tagging to members. Also, make sure you're spelling the name correctly. Even a small typo can hide the right profile. That's all there is to it. Type @, start the name or username, and click the correct profile from the list. With this simple habit, your comments become clearer, more directed, and more likely to get the right person's attention.